VSA, or Vehicle Stability Assist, is Honda's name for electronic stability control, a crucial safety feature standard on all 2002-2008 Honda Accord VII models. This video explains how to turn it on and off and provides broader insights into stability control. Vehicle Stability Assist, or VSA, is Honda's electronic stability control system designed to enhance vehicle handling and prevent loss of control. Let's explore how it works at its core. VSA continuously monitors the vehicle through multiple sensors. These include wheel speed sensors that detect how fast each wheel is spinning, a steering angle sensor that tracks the position of the steering wheel, lateral acceleration sensors that measure side-to-side forces, and a yaw rate sensor that detects rotational movement around the vehicle's vertical axis. When the system detects potential instability, such as a skid or loss of traction, it analyzes the data to identify specific problems like oversteer, where the rear of the vehicle slides outward in a turn, or understeer, where the front pushes wide. To correct instability, VSA takes precise actions. It can apply selective braking to individual wheels to create stabilizing forces, and it may reduce engine power to prevent excessive acceleration that could worsen the situation. VSA is particularly effective during cornering at speed emergency maneuvers and on slippery surfaces like wet roads or ice. It works seamlessly with the vehicle's other systems, including ABS wheel speed sensors, to maintain control and prevent accidents. VSA integrates with the vehicle's electronic steering system and advanced sensors to provide comprehensive stability control. This coordinated approach ensures the system responds quickly and effectively to changing driving conditions. VSA is always on by default when you start your Accord. To turn it off, press and hold the VSA button located near the climate controls or center console for about 5 seconds. The amber VSA off light will illuminate on the dashboard, indicating that it's disabled. Note, ABS remains active even with VSA off. To re-engage VSA, simply press the VSA button briefly. The amber VSA off light should turn off, and the green VSA light should reappear. This confirms that the stability control system is active again. Turning VSA off is generally not recommended for normal driving conditions. Only disable it in specific situations, such as when stuck in deep snow or sand, where allowing wheel spin can help with recovery. In all other scenarios, keeping VSA on significantly reduces accident risk by preventing loss of control. Honda strongly warns against habitually disabling the system. VSA works in tandem with your Accord's anti-lock braking system and traction control system. They share sensors and actuators to provide comprehensive stability and control. NHTSA studies show that vehicles equipped with electronic stability control, like the Honda Accord VII with VSA, experience a 35% reduction in single-vehicle rollover accidents compared to vehicles without ESC. In one documented case, a 2005 Accord driver avoided a dangerous skid on icy roads thanks to VSA automatically intervening to stabilize the vehicle. However, disabling VSA for off-road recovery in challenging conditions like mud or snow can be risky. Without stability control, the vehicle may lose traction and control when returning to pavement. Experts emphasize Vehicle Stability Assist as a crucial safety feature, advising against disabling it without good reason. Statistics show electronic stability control systems drastically reduce fatal single-vehicle crashes and rollovers. This slide illustrates how electronic and roll stability control works to prevent rollovers and jackknifes. Always prioritize keeping VSA active for safer driving.